This dance is called Wherever You May Wander. 32 count, 2 walks. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1 and 2 together. Section 1 starting with your right foot. Here we turn, here we turn. Step right to right side. Recover on left. Do a triple step. Step, step, step. Mirror image to your left. Here we turn, here we turn. Step left to left side. Recover. Triple step. Left, right, left. With a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For this dance, the triple step can be replaced by sailor step. Let me show you section 1 and 2 with sailor step. Starting with right foot. Here we turn, here we turn. Rock right to right side. Recover. Sailor step. Behind, side, side. Mirror image for section 2 on the left. Here we turn, here we turn. Step your left to the side. Recover. Sailor step. Behind, side, side. Section 1 and 2 with a count using sailor step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Step your right forward. Step your left forward. Do a forward shuffle with your right. Forward, together, forward. Rock left, forward, recover, and make a half turn shuffle with the left. Left, right, left. So section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, step right forward, step the left forward, do a forward shuffle with your right. Forward, together, forward. Rock your left forward, recover, make a back coaster. Back, together, forward. So last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you finish the dance here facing 6 o'clock. Let me go through the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7,